Nike is set to honor Kobe Bryant in summer 2026 with the Air Force 1 Low Denim, a revived version of his rare 2006 player-exclusive pair. Originally created after Kobe's move from Adidas to Nike in 2003, the sneaker blends nostalgia and innovation. It showcases an obsidian, white, and safety orange color scheme, highlighted by dual denim overlays, orange stitching, and premium leather lining. Embroidered on the heel is Bryant's signature sword-in-sheath emblem, symbolizing its exclusivity. Unlike its 2006 predecessor, this release incorporates modern performance updates such as a ReactX drop-in insole for improved comfort and responsiveness. Priced around $150, the pair will be available through Nike.com, granting fans access to a design once limited to Kobe and Nike insiders. By reintroducing this exclusive silhouette, Nike reinforces its dedication to celebrating Bryant's legacy through meaningful sneaker releases that connect history with innovation.